Okay, there were 105 fourth graders at Wedgeworth Elementary. They went to Six Flags for a science field trip and rode the Titan. A car on the Titan could hold 6 people. How many cars did they need so that everyone could ride? Okay, so I'm going to start with my cube strategy. I'm going to switch colors because I like it to stand out more. There we go. Alright, so first I'm going to circle all my numbers. So I have 105. I have fourth. It's an ordinal number. It puts things in order. So that's still important. Ooh, 6 people. I guess we could do 6 flags also, but Alright, I know you probably can't tell, but I had to pause the video. They were doing announcements. Alright, so yes, you do have 6 flags, but that's part of the name, so I'm not going to circle that as a number. And I think that's all our numbers. Alright, so now I need to underline my question. How many cars did they need so that everyone could ride? Okay, let's look for important words. There were 105, okay. A car could hold 6 people, maybe hold. Because then if it's holding, it's like putting them in there. How many cars did they need so that everyone could ride? That's really important, that everyone. Okay, and we're going to talk about that one after we solve it. Okay, the only thing I think I can eliminate is that they're fourth, because that's not a number we're really going to use to solve our problem. And it could have been 5th graders, 6th graders, 7th graders. I just put 4th graders because that's what you are when I wrote the problem. All right, so now let's do our use statement today. So it says, how many cars do they need so that everyone could ride? I will find the number of cars needed so everyone can ride. And I underlined that because that's going to be super important for this problem. Alright, so that's all for today. Tomorrow we will come up with our plan and solve it and then explain why we solved it that way.